All right, fam. Everybody get ready. Everybody get ready. Everybody get ready. Okay. So I gotta figure. Let's see.
When is the picture? When do we take that picture?
Let's see. There's a lens. Does this thing go up? Can it go down?
Girl, when is he gonna be ready to take this picture?
No, I don't know.
Burning
I
up.
need help. Thanks.
Me and my man hands.
Okay. Do I want picture or do I want photo?
Hey, boy. Hey, you need some help with that camera? You got about 2 minutes.
I got this.
2 minutes. Got me over here with my good clothes on and everything.
I can see something in the back of the screen though.
Hey, when is this picture gonna be done? And smiley face.
Ready?
Smiley face.
And
Smiley face.
Friends, family, new people, welcome to Living Your Story. Today we're talking about making memories that last. Today we're talking about 8 ways for us to redeem the time. So, without further ado, number 1, take pictures. Take lots and lots of pictures. We all have these fancy new cell phones that have the great cameras on them. Every generation that comes out, the camera gets better and better. Take lots and lots of pictures. If you have a regular camera, that's cool too. Use it. Let's take lots of pictures. Pictures mean memories. I don't know how many times as a kid people would come over to my mom and my dad's house. They would pull out the photo album and they would flip through and they were talking about, oh yeah, that's Aunt so-and-so and Uncle so-and-so and that's Grandma and Grandpa and all these people. And that was the way of capturing a moment. And that's a lasting memory. No better way to have lasting memories than taking pictures. Keep those phones rolling. Oh, and don't forget, for those of you that have like 1,000,002 videos and 7,012 pictures on your camera, and you don't have any space to even put on the new software when it's time for the new software to come on, find a computer to download that to, or put them on the cloud, or buy an external hard drive. You can get a 5 terabyte external hard drive for like $100. Put that stuff on something and use your phone. Number 2, go on a local trip. Like you could go downtown, and if you're close to a major city, you can get a room and maybe go to a restaurant that you've never been to, stay overnight downtown, and find a cool bakery in the morning and have like some fresh pastry and some coffee or tea or water, whatever it is that you have. Something different, something new. Or you can visit a place that you've never been before, no matter where you live. Maybe it's a botanical garden, some sort of art gallery or museum. Just do something new, and yes, take that phone with you that is cleared off. Create those memories. Next up, hey, why don't we just go out dancing? Yeah, so this one is kind of for my introverted friends. I am sort of like-minded in that space. Go out dancing. Do something different. Get off of the wall. Every time you go to a place where you can dance, you stand on the wall or you sit in the chair or you find somebody to talk to. And you introverts, we just not waste all our time, but we spend all our time together, not dancing, but staying to ourselves. Be exposed. Who cares? We'll get over it. All right, so number 4. This one is kind of a favorite of mine and something that I look forward to doing this year. Go window shopping for something that you've always wanted and you can't afford it just yet. So for me, 2 of my things are, 1, getting on a private jet. I've always wanted to get on a private jet, walk up those stairs, right, to the little jet and go inside and you see those fancy leather seats and table over here and then the other seats back there, but my seat is in the front because I own the plane, right? Yeah, so that's one of the things that I want to do this year. The other is get on a yacht. Now, I've been on a yacht before, but I've never toured a yacht like as a customer or potential customer. So yeah, I want to get on the yacht and have the little glass of wine with the people, have them show me around and just have a good time. And of course, I'm taking selfies and I'm gonna post them so you can see my progress on that. Since I'm posting mine, I'm asking you to post yours down in the comments. I want you to tell me what kind of window shopping are you gonna do, because I'm gonna keep you accountable. We're gonna do this together. All right, here we go. Number 5, do something that you said you would never do. Okay, so of course you need a picture of this because you'll probably never do it again. For me this year, I said that I am going to hold a snake. I mean, I probably never said that I would never do that, but why would I do that? Because I would never probably do that. So yeah, I'm on the hook to hold a snake. Told my family I'm going to hold a snake this year, so I got to hold a snake this year. I guarantee you there will be pictures of me holding a snake, because between you and me, that'll never happen again. Number 6, this one kind of segues for me from number 5, face of fear. Snake fear, 5, 6 for me, done. What's your fear? Is it bungee jumping? People do it and it looks fun, but not really. Is it jumping out of planes? Is that what it's called? Jumping out of planes? I call it jumping out of parachuting. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Jumping out of planes. Maybe your fear is saying something to somebody that you want to date. It's the worst that could happen. They could say no. But that's okay. They can't hurt you. But the best thing that could happen is they say, I've been waiting for you to ask me. Right? With the whole lip smack and everything. I've been waiting for you to ask me. That would be the bomb. Number 7, purchase a journal. Log in it once a day, once a week, once a month, so you can go back over time and look at your history. So instead of pictures, this is another great way to memorialize a moment. And even better, if you do take a picture of the moment that you had that you're writing about, you can put the two together at any given time and you can share all the details of that moment that you had. Another cool thing about journals is later in life, you can give these to a youngster and they can read about your life. Kind of like Indiana Jones, if you've ever seen any Indiana Jones movie. It seems like in every one of them, he's got like an old journal like this from his dad or uncle or cousin or some random guy that just left one. And of course it would be dusty and they would blow it off and it'd have like little string around it. They would have to take it off and they would open it up and they would find out where the treasure is, right? History is what these journals are all about, and really creating memories. If you're a writer, if you like to write whatever, it could be poetry, it could be short stories, you could have a novel on your hands and not even know it. So journal. And last but not least, number 8, volunteering. Volunteering can be great. It can be fulfilling. If this is one of the things that you want to do and you don't know where you can volunteer, or you don't think that there's something close by you, just Google volunteering in whatever city that you live in or that you're close to. Usually there's a website where you can filter down to the days that you can volunteer or the type of volunteering that you would like to do. You want to make sure that you got that phone that is cleared off. Create those memories. They're memories for you. They're memories for those people that you're volunteering for and with. It's lasting. It's forever. Hey, if any of these 8 tips were beneficial for you, click that like button down there for me. If you have other tips that you'd like to share, I would love to hear them. Put those down in the comments section. Also, report back how you're gonna make memories yourself that are lasting. And if you haven't subscribed to the Living Your Story family, click that subscribe button for me so you can be a part of the community, so you can know when the next videos are coming out. Trying to post at least once a week, and my short-term goal is to have 1,000 members this year. Let's go. Let's get it. Share the video. Thanks for coming. Thanks for tuning in. Coach Keith is Quick tip number 2. Say that 5 times really fast. Quick tip number 2. Quick tip number 2. Quick tip.
Don't make me stick my finger in your ear, old man. Don't make me stick my finger in your ear, old man. Hold up, wait. I might be smooth, but I got fingers too.